Before the 1950s, the food landscape of rural and urban areas consisted of local, small businesses and supermarkets. However, in recent decades, many traditional food retailing firms have become larger and the total number of stores has decreased. This created a serious social problem called food desert. Food desert defined as urban neighborhoods and rural towns without ready access to fresh, healthy, and affordable food. The term food desert first introduced in the United Kingdom in the early 1990s to examine disparity in food pricing and to describe geological areas with limited access to retail grocery stores with an outcome of shift of food retailers away from urban areas. One of the key issues of food desert is the distance from new traditional food retailers. Residents of food desert areas have no alternatives but to utilize private cars, travel several miles on foot, or use public transit to gain access to healthy food. Consumers without cars are dependent on food sources in their closest proximity. Although food environment of areas with food desert are unsupportive of health, healthy food are not affordable for lower income people. Research indicates that lower-income households shop where food prices are lower and generally cannot afford healthy foods, compared with residents of higher-income neighborhoods. Food desert is an issue that is closely related to the issue of social exclusion, since areas that suffer from food desert usually experience social and economic barriers due to racial, ethnic, and socioeconomic disparities. In response to the issue of food desert, a movement of urban farming is becoming bigger and bigger that tries to grow food closer to where people live and generate more healthy food in community. Urban farming is seen as a starting point of solving food desert issue because of its potential to revitalize local economy, address environmental stewardship and evolution of health and nutrition, and encourage community interaction.